This kitchen promised a robot helper for busy families. Nobody imagined cleaning could become automatic. Here designers built a tall stainless steel unit with chrome accents. This shape looked like a sleek skyscraper for a home. Soon the unit would slide out a rotating shelf for every meal. Here a conveyor belt would move plates from the stove to the dining table. This belt used electric motors, that means small engines that turned wheels. Nobody expected a single button to start the whole process. Here a control panel displayed pastel gauges and blinking lights. This panel let users choose cooking mode, temperature, and timing. Soon the oven inside the unit could bake, grill, or steam at once. Here the oven glowed with a red glass window, a nod to the space-age look. This aesthetic mixed white curves with bright red details, like rockets of the 1950s. Nobody praised the pastel turquoise doors as eye-catching and futuristic. Here the refrigerator section stored food in a magnetic cool zone, a concept that never reached the market. This cool zone used a silent fan, that means a device that moved air without noise. Nobody built a fully closed system, but designers drew it on glossy paper. Here the concept promised a clean kitchen with no dishes left on the counter. This promise appealed to post-war families seeking ease. Nobody realized the technology was too costly for average homes. Here the idea faded after the 1960s as cheaper appliances took over. This story shows how dreams shape real design, even when they never arrive. Nobody forgets the hopeful vision of a home that works for you. Here we can still learn from the bold forms, the brave function, and the playful aesthetic of this forgotten future.